Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you skill oriented practical, that is SOP of advanced web designing. And I have already uploaded two practicals of advanced web designing, so you can check it out. So let us look at the question which is on page number 91 of textbook. Advanced web designing SOP 1, creation of website using HTML5. Create a website using HTML5 and CSS using any four CSS properties. Write a code for two separate pages having different file names, such as first page as index HTML and second page .to HTML. Use any theme such as college profile or company profile, etc. Every page must contain proper meta information and design web page as follows. The index page must contain a heading which is highest among other text on the page and must be at the center of the page. There must be a paragraph which introduces general information about themes chosen. Must be have at least 3 physical tags and 1 image with alternate text. This page must be connected to the other 2 pages with proper navigational links. The second page must contain the feedback or enrollment form related with the theme chosen with feature of HTML5. The form must be contain text element and email address of the company or person. Include the submit button. So let us start coding. So first of all, go to the notepad and just start your coding with doctype HTML, head and title. So as you know, these are the common tags, and give your particular title which you want to give. I am here giving Kuber Creations. After giving your title, close title tag. On the next step, meta char set equals to UTF-8. Then meta name equals to author. Content is equals to physical tag. After this, on the next step, open styles tag. Then on the next step, h1 in bracket border style dotted. Then P in bracket color red, font size 15. This is option, you can choose by your own. For example, orange, color orange, and font size 19. Then B in bracket text decoration overline. Then U in bracket text align right, as I want text in my right hand side. Then close the style tag. Also close the head tag. Then open body tag. Then h1 align equals to center. and here my heading is Kuber Creations. You can type this or simply you can copy paste this from above. After giving heading, close H1 tag. Then use P tag, and below you have to write some thoughts. This is optional. I am here giving IT is my life, comma IT is very interesting subject. On the next step, I am writing work hard, comma achieve more. Again, this is optional, guys. After writing these thoughts, close P tag. Then use B tag and write valuable career. Again, this is optional, guys. Then after writing this, close B tag. Then BR and BR. Then use I tag and write high cutoff. Again, this is optional. And once you type this, close I tag, then again BR twice. Then use U tag and write highest placement. Again, this is optional. Then close U tag and BR twice. Then use S3 tag and copy paste your second thought, that is work hard, achieve more. Then close S3 tag. Now to insert image SRC. Now here your image name will be added. So for that, go to particular image which you want to choose. Right click on it and go to the properties and copy the name. Also watch the type of file. Here type of file is .png. Once you paste the name of the file, this .png is very important, so make sure that you have typed it or not. Then give your height and width to your image which you want to choose. then again twice br, and next line is very important guys, that is ahref equals to second dot html bracket second page, then close a tag, then close body tag, also close html tag, and here our half coding is over. So next step is very important, that is you have to save your coding and make a separate folder for your image as well as coding. So for it, go to the file, click save as, choose your particular folder, give name to your file and say save. As you can see, my image as well as coding file is in same folder. Now let us start second page coding. So for second page coding, take new file in Notepad and just start your coding with doctype HTML, head, title, and here title is forms. Then close title tag, then meta char set equals to utf-8, then meta name equals to author, content equals to form, then use style tag, then h1 border style dashed, then body background color aqua, then close style tag, close title tag, then use body tag, then h1 align equals to center enrollment form, then form name equals to ft, then enter your name, then input type equals to text, name equals to t required, then twice br, then enter your email id, then input type equals to email name equals to email id twice br, then input type equals to submit button, name equals to submit, value equals to submit. Then close form tag, again ahref equals to sop1 html first page, then close body tag, also close html tag, then save this file. And while saving your file, .html should be given after your name of file. And as you can see, my both file, coding file and image file is in same folder. Let us see output. So for output, open your first coding file. As you can see, this is our coding. Title is Kuber's creation and my thoughts are there. Also photo is get inserted. So subscribe to my channel, and if you click on second, then it will open second output. You can even add your name, your Gmail, and even you have the option for submit. So these all SOPs, that is skill oriented practicals, are very important from the point of board practical examinations. So after filling this information, you can submit this. That's all for today guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any query, then ask it in the comment box. Thank you.